This country home house plan gives you approximately 4,100 square feet, has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and a massive side-load entry 2-bay garage. This stately, traditional design has everything you need and want. The unique curved front porch will be a great conversation piece as it welcomes friends and family into your home. The large foyer leads to the office space or the hall, taking you to the den and large master suite living area. This office or study is fantastic for those stay-at-home parents or anyone who may work remotely. This space also features a large walk-in closet. The den offers a cozy fireplace and open access to the spacious kitchen with the attached dining space. This area is absolutely perfect for entertaining. Continue enjoying family time, visiting in the sunroom or on the rear covered porch. Bedrooms 2 and 3 can be found on the right side of the home with a wonderful reading nook in between. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find the luxurious master suite, complete with a large walk-in closet that has direct access to the laundry room. Need even more space? The bonus room upstairs will make a fantastic game room or home theater.